Hi everybody, in this video I'll show you the procedure on how can you fix Roku TV Wi-Fi connection problems. If you're having issue connecting Wi-Fi to your Roku TV, you'll need to follow these steps. First of all, you could restart your TCL Roku TV. Now unplug the TV from a power source and wait for 30 seconds and plug it back in. Now then unplug the router at the same time and wait for at least 30 seconds and then plug it back in and see whether that fixes your issue or not. The next thing what you could also do is network reset on Roku TV. For that, you actually want to go ahead and open the settings, then go to the system, after which you want to select reset and go to network reset. Then simply go ahead and follow the on-screen prompt and you could go ahead and make sure to change it and see whether that fixes your issue or not. Now despite this, you could also go with the advanced troubleshooting steps, that is check your router security settings. Make sure your router is configured to WPSK security mode, which is often compatible with Roku devices according to Roku community itself. You could also try using your Ethernet connections or maybe try using a mobile hotspot and see that fixes your issue or not. Now after doing all this procedure, if nothing seems to be working out, then you actually want to try contacting the support team or a manual itself, and they will be able to help you out. And this is how you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.